Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the photo using the AI, and the theme is about the Independence Day. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So here I'm using the Gemini Flash over here, and let's say if you would like to create the picture that theme about the Independence Day, and it depends on the country itself, and because every country has its own Independence Day. And for example, I'll show you that I had tried to use this picture and I put the prompt like this: create me a picture that represents about the Independence Day of the USA using this picture. The woman is holding the flag and the dog is wearing the USA costume. So to support the better, or to create the better result, so this Gemini will give you the tips to give the more details about the prompt. So the Gemini can help you to create and also generate the prompt. For example, this is the result that they had generated before. And for example, I would like to refine this picture, but it is now about the Cinco de Mayo in Mexico, and after that the result is here, but this picture doesn't contain about this woman and this dog. So I refine it by add this picture, and also I put the prompt like this: I want that Cinco de Mayo using the picture. So this is the result, guys. And for example, I will show you what if I would like to upload the picture here, and I will type create me the picture of the Independence Day of. For example, I will use the Colombia. The dog is wearing the Colombia's costume, and the woman is wearing the traditional suit. Location is inside the stadium, and you can start to generate it, and kindly wait for this. Gemini will help you to generate this prompt into a picture. So the generation process usually take 5 minutes, depends on the complexity of the result. So this is the result, guys, and after that you can start to download this picture by clicking this button, and you can start to put your picture into your, let's say, social media, and there you go. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this AI and also try to generate this picture following what is the event that is going on there. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.